Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Moyo, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new wireless microphone. This microphone is for phone, so if you have a camera, then this microphone is not going to work for you. So guys, if you're interested in knowing how this microphone works, what it looks like and everything, please make sure to watch this video till the end. And if it ends up being helpful, please like the video and please leave me a comment in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, this is what the package came in looking like. It says my name, my address, and one long serial number, then the date it was delivered. This is what the packaging looks like. So we're just going to move on straight into unboxing this package. This is what it looks like. It says wireless microphone, and here's what the back looks like as well. And then the sides of the pack, this is what it looks like. And then the other side. When I ordered this microphone, I ordered one for an iPhone. You can as well get one for a Type-C, but I ordered one for an iPhone because obviously I use an iPhone to film my videos, and that is what I'm using right now as well. So I'm just going to go straight into unboxing this package so that we know what is exactly inside it. So all I have to do is to pull it up like this, and once I pull it up, I'm going to see a manual here. This manual contains how to use this product and everything. So if you open up this manual, you're going to see this part written in Arabic and this part is written in English. So the intro says, thanks for choosing our product. This product is a smart wireless microphone that provides professional grade recording output. Plug and play, no app required, multiple uses. It can be used in online live broadcast, video vlog shooting, program interview, recording, video teaching, and other occasions. The wireless microphone consists of two parts. One is microphone transmitter and the other one is receiver. So guys, if we look straight into this box, I don't know if you guys can see clearly, this is the microphone right here. This is what it looks like. It has this part that you can use to attach to your outfit. And guys, this is what the receiver looks like. It has this lighting port, so I just connect it directly to my iPhone. Also guys, this part is where the charger is kept in. So guys, I was actually trying to unbox this thing before on camera, but I just realized that my microphone was not working when I was unboxing and making the video, and I was like, what could have been wrong? So I plugged my microphone. I realized the microphone had died, so I plugged it, and that is why I am more familiar with it. When I opened this up, I was just like, what's going on? Like, I had to take my time to go over it and go over the manual. So yes, I now understand how it works perfectly, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to walk you guys through. In here there is a charger, and the charger is a Type-C charger. This is what it looks like. Mind you, when you are plugging anything, it's your microphone that you are plugging. The transmitter does not need any plugging at all. So let's get that out of the way. Just remember that you might receive your microphone and your microphone is not working. Don't forget to plug it. So how do you know if your microphone is working or not? The way you know is to turn it on. So guys, I'm going to remove this nylon here and show that the way. So how do you turn your microphone on? If you turn your microphone to the back here, you're going to see this on and off switch right here. So when you turn it on, you hold it for 3 seconds, and then this is how you know that your microphone is on. You see this green and red lights blinking. That's how you know that your microphone is on. So how do you start using your microphone? All you have to do is to grab your receiver right here. You have to turn on your microphone before you start using it. Grab your receiver. This is your receiver, like I said, and you're going to plug it to your iPhone. Obviously I have a lighting port, so it goes in my iPhone. If you have Type-C, then it goes in your Samsung or Android or whatever you're using. So how do you know if your receiver is spec to your microphone? Is that this green and red light that was blinking or stops blinking and it becomes just green. At this point, the recording output should have changed and you guys should have noticed a difference in the recording. I really hope that you can tell the difference in the recording from when I was talking before and now, hopefully. So, guys, this is what it sounds like with this wireless microphone. I used to have the long noise cancellation microphone before now, but because I want more flexibility, I don't want to be handling wires everywhere. That is why I got this, and hopefully, it's serving what I want to do. So, guys, this goes in my dress like this, and I can talk freely. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I don't have to deal with wires, long wires, so annoying. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. So, guys, let's go back into the manual, and I'm just going to read the manual to you in case you are getting your wireless microphone for the first time. I should have read this earlier, but then like I didn't know how to use it, so that is why I didn't really bother as such. But let's go over the manual. It's very important to always read your manual. So like I told you that you should turn on your microphone before you try to connect it or anything. There is a guide on how to use it here. Connect the receiver to the phone with ports. The connection is successful if the iPhone displays a small icon. My iPhone is actually not displaying any icon, but from the microphone here, I can see that it is connected. Press the switch key of microphone. The indicator light turns green and then power is turned on. I think I already told you that already. Step 3. The indicator red light of the receiver keeps always on. Then open the phone camera, live app or other apps and then use the microphone to receive sound. Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you guys about the red light on the receiver. There's one tiny red light on your receiver that you're going to see. That's to show that your receiver is connected to your phone. And when it's blinking, that means that it's pairing. But when it stops, that means that it is paired. And this one also stops. It changes from red and green to just green. Then it is connected to the receiver. That's how you know. My receiver is plugged out and this is the pure sound without any external microphone, and I'm going to connect it back so we can see the difference. So guys, at this point my microphone is connected. I really hope that you noticed any difference. If you like this microphone or if you are ever going to purchase it, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. So while I was filming my video, I didn't know that my microphone had died on me, so everything I said on the manual aspect wasn't recorded. I was obviously recording, but my voice wasn't entering. So if your microphone ever dies on you, just know that no sound will be picked up. That is so sad. It's not nice at all, but I just had to let you guys know what I experienced reading the manual. So please, when you get your microphone, please read the manual to understand it carefully. But every other thing I said about powering on and off, everything is valid. So guys, I actually think that I'm liking this microphone and I really hope that it serves me for a while. So yes guys, that's it. If you like this video, if you like this microphone, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.